Good morning, everyone. How are all of you guys doing? It is like 8 in the morning right now. We are in Hong Kong. Josh is way back. Josh, why are you so far back? I don't know what he's doing back there. We are walking to the peak of the mountain in Hong Kong. It's like an hour walk from the central train station. It is so humid. It is uphill the entire way. I mean, that's sort of obvious. It's a mountain. Whew. Whew. This is a dumb idea. The view is amazing though. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing great. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're not already following me on Instagram and Twitter, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Links down in the description for that, or if you want to follow me right here at Tom Stefaniuk, feel free to do that as well. Whew. We have a long walk ahead of us. I think I'm gonna take a little rest right here. Oh, Josh, that's an absolutely terrible idea. I usually do not sweat this much. I am soaked head to toe. I feel disgusting. I've lost half of my weight in water. We need to find a taxi. It says it's another 45 minutes just to get up there. I mean, the view is really nice, but it is too humid to be hiking up a mountain. Oh. Taxi. Okay, screw that. We can't find a cab. We're walking up to the top. If I die, I love all of you guys and it's been a great time on YouTube. Please don't forget me. We made it. I don't know, Josh. What do you say? Was it worth the view?
Are we gonna walk back? Are we gonna walk back?
No. Are you crazy?
It was worth it for sure.
Crazy man, we were gonna walk back. I almost died. Bye. I'm gonna miss you. What a great cab driver. Nice guy.
I wish we knew him more.
So we made it back down from the mountain into the city. And there's one thing I really wanted to hit up today. Now this might not be the most exciting thing we do while we're in Hong Kong, except it's something I really want to check out, and it's honestly not that far away, and it seemed like a good thing to do today. We're gonna go to a Nike outlet. I went to one last time. It was amazing how good there was tons of shoes for like $20 US. Ooh, tons of shoes, tons and tons of shoes. It was actually incredible to see the amount of sneakers they had there for just ridiculously good prices. There's one like a 20-minute walk away, but we're just gonna take the train because it's a lot quicker, and we're gonna see what type of shoes they have. Alright, we found the Nike factory store, thankfully in a quiet neighborhood where there's some space to breathe. But beside the Nike factory store, there's a Converse outlet that way, and then you walk over a couple doors this way, and there's actually an Adidas outlet as well. And I figured, you know what, the Nike is going to be better than the Adidas, you'd think. So we're going to save the Nike for last and see what they have in a Chinese Adidas outlet. These are actually pretty cool, the Tubular Shadows. I think these are a women's shoe. I'm honestly not sure, but they're selling them for $450, which is well under $100. That's maybe $60. That's a good price. 60 bucks for these? That's a good price. I love how they just leave the boxes laying. Like there's not even racks. There's not even prices or labels. There's just stacks and stacks of blue Adidas boxes. This almost looks like my bedroom. Very, very, very cool. They have the Adidas Human Race Pharrell sock things. I forget what these are called for under $100. I think I'm doing my conversions correctly. 540. They have the blue, the green, the red, the gray, the tie-dyes, the gray dyes. These are probably my favorite. Maybe the reds. The reds are pretty cool as well, except these were actually part of like a pack with human races and everything. These are really cool. You getting anything in here?
There's nothing to see, man.
Yeah, I mean, like, there's some nice stuff. I'll give it to them. The prices are really, really good, which makes me excited to see what the Nike outlet is like, because last time I was at a Nike outlet in China, the prices were absurdly good. You ready for Nike?
I'm ready for Nike.
So I forgot to mention that a problem in this store might be the fact that they do not sell my size in anything. The cap on sizes here is usually like 10.5, 11 if you're lucky, and I wear size 12 US. So we'll see what we can find, but if there's nothing in my size, I would not be surprised. Oh my goodness, kid, this is what's jumping out at me right away. I have no idea what these are. Let's put these down and take a look. They're the Nike Free Run 2018 t-shirt. Whoa. Look at the colors on these. These are size 9.5, so like no chance of me fitting me. Josh, how cool are these?
They look like a painting, bro.
Like these are actually insane. I'd hang these on my wall if it was a painting. These are amazing. I love bright out there colorful runners. These look amazing. Look at the bottom. Wow. How much are they? They are $779, which is right around 100 bucks, I think. Maybe like 110. It's not like an amazing price, but like I've never seen these before, ever. I don't know if this is a US release or if this is Asia exclusive. It looks Asia exclusive to me. I really, really like those. I think I found one of the only size 12s in the entire store, and these are actually sort of dope. Air Max 270s, 1,000 Hong Kong dollars, so that's not a very good price. That's like $140, but this is a crazy colorway. I think this is one of the only sneakers they have in a size 12 here, the only one that I've seen so far. These are nice. I mean, white, orange, I love that big bubble. Apparently these are very, very comfortable. I dig these. Nice. But then I think the best price and the best looking shoe that I've found for a good price in here has to be the Nike Zoom Evidence 2. These are $419, which is maybe 60 bucks. This looks like an outdoor basketball shoe. How cool are these? I've never seen these. This is probably an Asia exclusive outdoor basketball shoe. Black, gray on the toe, gold swoosh. These look really, really cool. Like I really like how these look, and for 60 bucks, come on. I think the cheapest thing we've found in here so far, this is probably around 30 US dollars. Boom. These are called the Nike Lunar Charge Essentials. I've seen these in stores. I've seen these in Foot Locker, Finish Line, Nike stores. 30 bucks for these. 30. That's a good price. I don't care if you like these or not. That is a great price. So this hasn't been the biggest Nike store on earth, I'll be 100% honest, and they haven't had any super heat, but the prices are crazy. They're $30 for shoes. I don't think you can complain once you get to prices low, like $30, $60. They didn't have any cool Jordans or any cool basketball sneakers, but those running shoes, I mean, they had the Mellow 1.5s, which are, I don't want to talk about those anymore. If you guys are looking for this Nike factory store, it's by the Fortress Hill train stop in Hong Kong. I give it a solid 6 out of 10. But that being said, that was a really, really cool place to go to. I actually saw an amazing pair of shoes in the Converse outlet as well, so maybe we will go back to pick those up later this week. If you guys know how I feel about Converse, you probably know what model it was. The Nike outlet was cool. The Adidas outlet was slightly less cool, and maybe we'll hit up another one while we're in the city. You guys let me know if you want to see more. If you don't want to see any more, let me know down in the comment section below. As always, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's see how many likes we can hit on the video. And if you want to give me a follow on Instagram and Twitter, make sure to do that with the links down in the description. Josh, did you enjoy your first Asian Nike outlet experience?
I did. It was good, but like nothing is I'm too big. I'm too big of a guy. My feet are too big.
This is the only pair of Jordans they have in here, the Mellow 1.5s. One of the worst shoes ever made by Jordan Brand. It's a trash shoe. I'm sorry, Carmelo. I mean, I don't even like Carmelo as a player, so I'm not sorry, Carmelo. You're a ball hog, and you're a goof, and you're a diva, and you're a drama queen. But, I mean, you're chill. I'm hating on you a bit much. Oh! On a side note, I found a pair of size 12 sitting at the bottom. These are cool, 800 Hong Kong dollars.